Good morning, everyone. Kyle Ivy here with Techy Tuesday. This session is going to be covering our Elmo and how we can actually take pictures or do a recording all by using our Elmo. We have to make sure that we have a couple of different pieces. USB, that is not only USB, but it also has this B end like pictured. So the B end is going to go into your Elmo and the USB is going to plug into your computer. This is what's going to give you the ability to record via your Elmo. So the first thing that you need to do in order to get the imagemate software is that you need to go and look at your Elmo and find out what the model number is. So for instance, this model number that I'm going to be doing is the TTO2S. So what I'm going to do is actually, since I'm in Google, I'm going to go and search imagemate TTO2S. And one of the things that I should see first is the software. So once you open up the page, this model of Elmo has been discontinued, but you can actually still go into the downloads and find the version of imagemate and still use it and download it, and it'll work. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and you can see that it goes down here on my downloads bar. If you don't have the downloads bar, then you can actually go in your download folder and open it up. Okay. Once it's in there, it's going to be a number like this 201. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And the one that you want to open up is this imagemate package that looks like a box. Now here's the trick. If you double click on that imagemate, it will not open. So you have to right click on it and open it that way in order for it to open. And then it's going to take you through the install process of installing this on your computer. And it usually doesn't take very long. Okay. So once you have that downloaded, what you can do is go into your launchpad, which is the rocket ship, and you can go and search for imagemate. Now, if you use this all the time, you can actually drag this down there to your bar. But for now, I'm going to just leave it as is. Once you have the program downloaded, you can actually go in here and you will see a couple different things. One, you're going to see this with the blue boxes in it. This is kind of like your remote control that I like to say of how you can either use the video camera or you can take still captures. It has some setting features as well. But right now you are looking at my live image. This is my hand. Okay. One of the things that you want to do before you get ready to write is, of course, you want to focus. Now you can see this little remote control that I have to the left of those blue boxes. You can find this under your tools, and it's called remote control. This basically allows you to do all the things that the buttons on your Elmo allow you to do, like the autofocus and to zoom in and out and so forth. So you can see that I'm using this remote control to do it. So you basically just have all the features there for you on the screen. Okay, so let's just say that I want to start writing on this and I want to video myself. So once I hit that the video, the camera, it gives me two options. This, with the little camera, will take basically still pictures occasionally throughout the process. And it basically will do it how many ever seconds apart that you want it to take it. You'll set that up. But for now, I'm just going to do a movie recording. So I'm going to start recording, and it's going to ask me where do I want to save it. Alright, I can see that it's actually recording now. So let's just say for right now I'm taking statistics, so that's what's on my mind that I have. I am trying to find the hypothesis of a t-value. Okay, so once I've hit saved, I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to open up that folder where it's saved. And one of the things that I don't like about it is that the sound is actually saved in a separate spot. So you actually will have two files. One is your sound file and one is the video file. So here is what I recorded with my Elmo, and would be good for you to actually post to your website to show parents how you're working out a problem or so forth. So that is my recording for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Just remember that you have to have that USB running into your computer and the software. Thanks.